Hello everyone, today I explain the principal technique relocation curve.
Re-expansion. Supine patient in a step to inhale, travel the nose and expel during the nose and compression. Imperfect will hand continue to with normative and then she premise is remover. Look, patching in running in step to inhale through the nose and split during 10 months. Compression is performed with perfect expulsion.
Lever technique. The patient inhales the LP through the nose, exhales through the mouth, and performs a flexion of the trunk. Maximum sustained inhalation. The patient performs a slow and deep inspiration up to his maximum lung capacity. The patient then holds the inspiration for a few seconds. Localizations through manual manipulation by the therapist, such as pressures or elongations in areas of the thorax during inspiration. Airflow is directed to specific lung areas.
The half cough is a breathing technique to the help of expel mucus from the lung. It is performed by making to the sound which facilitates to the expulsion of the mucus. It's a fourth exhaling technique that helps clear secrets from the lungs. It involves holding with the throat open, which helps expand mucus. The glottis, the open of the larynx remain open during holding to the facilitate expand the air and the mucus. Assistant cough, which consists of the planting to the hands under the patient diaphragm, performing under the diaphragm push, and this helps to the move secretions and finally expand them.
Diaphragmatic breathing technique. This technique holds its patient to sit in certain position. Instructed to breathe normally and drop enter air into abdominal area, or instructed to pause heart stays abdomen, heart stays slat and apply pressure to enhance place on their abdomen. This with pause due diaphragmatic strut accompanied it with heart and vibropressure technique. Vibration technique is physiotherapists place their parts of their hands on patients. This was taught the breath area. The apply vibration for their upper limb to a thorax. Each patient is had to breathe in through its nose and through a mouth. Vibropressure is applied as patient slats and its patient relax pressures. In conclusion, these techniques are soft and should be applied depending on patient needs and type of underlying pathology it may have. Precaution on contraindication should be taken in account as these techniques should not be used. Please should say we see your and a comment.